Hi my dear student, today we will discuss chapter 2 complex number exercise 2.3 question number 2. In this case, two complex numbers z1 and z2 is given. We wanted to prove z1 plus z2 divided by 1 plus z1 into z2 is real. What is the condition for complex number may be real if z equal to z bar. If z equal to z bar, then z is real. If z equal to z bar implies z is real. Now what I wanted to prove, this is a complex number z1 plus z2 divided by 1 plus z1 z2, which is equal to z1 plus z2 divided by 1 plus z1 z2 whole bar. Got it? What we have? We have mod z1 equal to 1. Since mod z square will be z bar, mod z square will be z bar. So it will be mod z1 square. When I am going to square, it will be 1 and it will be mod z1 square. It can be written as z1 into z1 bar, which is equal to 1 using this property. What is z1? 1 by z1 bar. Similarly, I can write z2 as 1 by z2 bar. Similarly, z2 as 1 by z2 bar. Therefore, what I have? z1 plus z2. 1 plus z1 z2. Now replace z1 as 1 by z1 bar. And here z2 as 1 by z2 bar. Whole divided by. This is 1 plus. This is 1 by z1 bar into z2 can be written as 1 by z2 bar. Got it? Now take LCM. When you take LCM, it will be z2 bar and this z1 bar will come here. Z1 bar, z2 bar. When you take LCM, z2 bar plus z1 bar divided by the product of z1 bar, z2 bar. Whole divided by. When you take LCM here, z1 bar, z2 bar will come here plus 1 ones are 1 divided by z1 bar, z2 bar. I can cancel z1 bar, z2 bar. Okay. Therefore, z1 plus z2 divided by 1 plus z1 z2 will be, cancel the denominator. This is z1 bar plus z2 bar. z1 bar plus z2 bar cancel. 1 plus z1 bar into z2 bar. Okay. Now this will be z1 plus z2 whole bar. I can split like this. And this is 1 plus z1 z2 whole bar. And I can write z1 plus z2 whole bar. 1 plus z1 z2 whole bar. Because when you take bar for a real number, it will remain same. There is no imaginary part. That's it. This will be z1 plus z2 by 1 plus z1 z2 whole bar. z1 plus z2 divided by 1 plus z1 into z2 whole bar. Now what we have? Therefore, z1 plus z2 divided by 1 plus z1 into z2 will be same z1 plus z2, 1 plus z1 z2 whole bar. Now, for example, this is a complex number z, this is conjugate. So, z equal to z bar. This implies z1 plus z2, 1 plus z1 z2 is real. Got it? I wanted to prove z1 plus z2 divided by 1 plus z1 z2 is real. So, I have mod z1 equal to 1. I will use this property. z1 can be written as 1 by z1 bar. Similarly, this is what given. I replace my z1 as 1 by z1 bar, z2 as 1 by z2 bar. Taking LCM, denominator cancel, and using the property of bar, it will be whole bar and this will be whole bar and the entire will be bar. So z1 plus z2 divided by 1 plus z1 z2 equal to z1 plus z2 divided by 1 plus z1 z2 whole bar. This complex number is real. Got it?